Hi everyone, this is Carol. Welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger official channel. While creating a video, we could actually stylize some shots with editing effects in the post-production. And in today's tutorial, we're going to share with you some simple steps to create a dream recall effect. But before we dive into the journey, make sure you check out the link in the description box down below to download the software for free. Alright, so now, let's get the video started. Well, you might see this effect in many films and television works. Like in the Mulholland Drive, the filmmaker used a scene change between the reality and dreams to perform an excellent and stunning film work. While in our daily video creation, apart from sharing with the audience what our dreams are about in simple words, we can also put that off with image, like to add a white border or sort of the filter that carries a mystery definition. So, let's take a look at the detailed steps to create such a dream recall effect. Launch your software. Import the materials deleted. Drag the footage to the video track. And then, you place the same footage to the overlay track. Adjust the size so that it could overlap with the first one. Or use these two buttons to zoom in and out with one click. Then, we find the image blurring and smoothing area in the inspector on the right hand. Check the Enable Image Denoising. Adjust the bottom 3 parameters to the maximum to create a blurring effect in your video. Then scroll down. Find Blend Mode. Click Screen Effect. Well, now you might see some effect in the image. You could also adjust the opacity of the material in the overlay track to make further adjustment and get what you want for your result. In addition, you can also give more emotion to the video by working with the color. Click Color and open the color editor. In the preset library on the left side, we could apply filters in one click to our video. Here I'm gonna go with the stylish 8 filter. Turn the main color of the video image to yellow. Hit Apply and return to the interface. Now it's all set. Well, generally, the yellow color indicates that the dream or the memory is happy and joyful. But at the same time, it also means what you dream about is unrealistic. If the main color is blue, then the dream would be painful and miserable. However, it is necessary to adjust your video image based on specific situation. Alright, now you've reached the end of today's video about how to create a dream recall effect in your video with VideoProc Vlogger. I think you've got it. Anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. We'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!